So let's look now at COS, still with the negative externality. This is the same picture I showed a minute ago. What I want to draw in here, this is a trick from Kevin, a very useful trick. I want to draw in this picture, indifference curves for the consumer. And in particular, I want to be able to say, what do they think about points that aren't on the demand curve? So what do you think indifference curves for the consumer would look like in this picture? Combinations of price and quantity that they're indifferent between. Would they slope up or slope down? Yeah. Oh no, anytime we have a demand curve or a supply curve, there's another good in the background. So it's because the demand curve is your willingness to pay relative to the next alternative. I think yesterday I called it, or maybe the day before, I called it all other goods. And that's why they don't like paying a high price, because they could have some of those other goods. So I give it a little bit of what the indifference curves look like. High prices is a bad thing. They'll slope up. And half of the diagram they do. Please.
Could have chosen any of those points on that green line, right? The demand curve means he could have bought as little or as much as he wanted. So the best point on that green line for him is you.
Right, that's why it doesn't slope up everywhere. There's a certain amount that I want to buy at a given price.
And he prefers lower prices, and the best point is you. So what must his indifference curve look like? Just knowing those two things. Curve's got to be everywhere below you, on both sides, and go through you. What does a curve look like that goes through you? And they're always at or below the green line.
Yeah, it's going to look like a hill. All the indifference curves have their peak on the demand curve.